Hello and welcome to a absolutely wonderful location as far as I'm concerned, where I spent the night. Now it's a bit of wind out today, so you might hear the wind, but I'm trying to hold the microphone close to my mouth, and this cat has been following me around for the past followed me around last night. Don't know if the cat was outside the van during the night, but this morning as well, following me around again. So here I'm parked. This place is called Siadło Dolne. The river which we have here is the Odra river, now the Odra in Polish. And now at the end of the Second World War, the Polish border was pushed to the west to compensate for land lost to the Soviet Union in the east, and the border follows the Oder and the nicer rivers. So why am I on the western side of the Oder? That is because there are distributaries of the Oder river, and the town of Szczecin was given to Poland, so therefore there was a requirement to push the border at the very northwestern part onto the western part of the Oder. And that's what we've got here. That's the Oder. Now, today, it's August, 23rd of August, but the wind really is strong. But anyway, look at this great place. What do you want to show you here? This has, so we've got these places for, you can do grill. You've got tables, individual grill spots. Down there, 3 grill spots more. You've got some cafeterias, you've got ice cream. Okay, it's all closed now, but yesterday it was packed with people. But they all began to clear off, and when I went out, came back around 10:30 in the evening, missing my premiere unfortunately, and here's the cat again. People had gone and it was empty, and one of the neighbours just asked me how I slept. Absolutely fantastic. What a wonderful place. Anyway, in view of the wind, I'm not going to be doing much more here today. Oh wow, I wouldn't have expected this on a day like today. But anyway, you've got the idea. The link is down below, and only 5 kilometers from here you've got a major Auchan supermarket and the border crossing. See the motorway bridge down there? You follow that. That's the motorway that takes you into Germany. The border crossing from here is about 5 or 6 kilometers, something like that. And you'd want to stock up on fuel at Auchan before leaving, because it's a lot cheaper here than it is in Germany. At least at the Auchan supermarket, hypermarket, it's a lot cheaper than it'll be on the German motorway. So, there you go. What a fantastic place to be. Thanks for watching. Lot more fantastic places on my site.